Mergers and acquisitions. What you need to know. Mergers and acquisition can transform your business. I am KP Brar from Solution Law, and today we will cover the key steps in the mergers and acquisition process. Number 1. Preparation. Conduct thorough due diligence and prepare your business for the transaction. Number 2. Negotiation. Negotiate terms that are favorable to both parties. Number 3. Plan for a smooth transition post-merger or acquisition. Conclusion. Merger and acquisition can be complex, but with careful planning and professional guidance, it can lead to significant growth. Always seek legal advice during the process.